During the recording of this video, we forgot to add some context as to what we're actually doing right now. So yeah, if you follow us on Instagram, you know that Bob's car stopped working a couple months ago and it's currently at a shop being fixed until they find out what mystery thing is holding it back and they get it running again. Bob also recently ordered some CST wheels from Japan and they've been refurbished, and now we're going to head over to a tire shop to put some semi-slicks on them so they're all ready to go in the car once the car runs again, and we can all go out and have fun.
Nou, hoogteverschil. Ja.
So I'm here at the new South Spirit garage, and as you can see, Bob's wheels actually have tires now. So they ended up being crooked after all. There was something wrong with the machine. But yeah, they have tires now. They can be put on the car. But the car itself is, as of right now, still broken. The car has been broken for multiple months by now. Bob's car has electrical issues, and he tried figuring out how to fix it, but that ended up not working. So he sent it to Jack and Keith, which are the MX-5 specialists around here, and they hopefully find out the way to fix it. So as soon as that's fixed, we're going to go over there and we're going to start it, and we're going to see if it runs fine, everything's good, and if it is, Bob has some new steering knuckles that are going to go on the car so we can get some more lock while drifting, and yeah, then I should hopefully get back on the road with the new tires and new wheels and a new steering wheel and the new knuckles, so it's all good to go again. But yeah, for now, just wait. Nou.